Hey guys, welcome back to my channel or welcome if you're new here. I'm Deepika.
One, two, three, let's go!
In this video, we are going to see Loyola College Admissions 2024 for UG and PG programs. So in this video, I will be covering the admission process for both UG and PG programs. Then we will be seeing the admission process and some important information which is related to admission. And finally, we will see when will the admission portal be open for Loyola College for this year. So without wasting any more time, let's just start the video. So first let's see Loyola College admission process. For UG, the admission process is based on merit by 12 percentage. Except for few courses, there will be entrance exam and a screening process. So students who are interested in the courses will have to go through a screening process consist of your entrance examination and as well as a personal interview. So the courses are BSc Visual Communication, BMM, B Vocational, BCom Honors, BCom Accounting and Finance, BCom Computer Applications, and BBA France. So for these 7 courses, if you want to get admission into Loyola College, then you have to go through a screening process, which will be having an entrance exam and as well as an interview. So the admission process would be like, first you have applied to the programs, then the college will release a selection list of shortlisted candidates. Then if you find your name in that, then you will be moving ahead with the screening process. And if you clear the screening process, then you will get into the program. So this is how the admission process is for these 7 courses. And for the rest of the courses, the admission process will be based on merit, which means by your 12 standard marks. Now coming to PG programs, the admissions for all postgraduate programs is by entrance exam followed by a personal interview. So the entrance exam and personal interview will be held on the campus itself. So you have to visit Loyola campus and then you have to give your entrance exam, and maybe on the same day or some other day you have to give the personal interview. So this is how the process is for PG programs. So once you apply for the course, then the college will be sending you details for the entrance exam and interview. So once you clear that, then you will be admitted to the program. So this is the process for PG programs. So once you have applied and once you get into the program, then you have to make the fee payment. So you have to make fee payment for first semester. So once you make the fee payment, then you have to go through the verification process with all your documents. So you have to visit the college with your original documents and then your admission will be successful. So this is the entire process for Loyola College admission. So now moving forward with important information for admissions. So first thing is Loyola College admissions is completely online. You don't have to visit the college to apply for a program. The application process will be completely online. So you have to visit the college website, which is loyolacollege.edu.in, and then you have to register yourself. Then you have to give your details and upload your documents. Then you have to make the application payment. Then your application process will be completed. So this is the application process and it is completely online. And then if you're selected for interview or for exam, then you have to visit the college. So now coming to the next point, that Loyola College gives preference to students who are from Dalit or Dalit Catholics and tribal communities. So if you are from these communities, then you will have preference over other students. Now coming to the eligibility for Loyola College. So in the prospectus, the Loyola College has mentioned that they give preference to students from Chennai and from nearby districts, which means Tamil Nadu and nearby states. And all the eligibility criteria of the subjects which you must have studied in your UG or in your 12th standard is clearly mentioned in the prospectus, and I will be attaching the prospectus in the description box so you guys can check out and get more information from prospectus. For now, the college hasn't released this year prospectus, so you can check out the last year prospectus and get the details. So now coming to most important part, that for which courses women students are eligible to apply. So first let's see UG programs. For UG programs, women students are eligible to apply for some courses, not for all courses. So women students can apply for BSc Visual Communication, BMM Animation, French Literature, E-Vocational Digital Journalism, 3D Animation and BBA France. So for these 6 courses, women students can apply, and for the rest of the courses, women students cannot apply. So for UG programs, this is the criteria, and so mostly the boys are admitted for most of the programs except 6 programs. So now coming to the PG programs. So all women students can apply to PG programs. So PG programs are completely co-education. There is not any restriction in PG programs. So now coming to the most important part. So when will admission start for this year? So Loyola College has recently released a notification regarding that. So admission portal for 2024 will be open and accessible only after Tamil Nadu State Board 12th results are announced. So only after Tamil Nadu State Board 12th results are announced, then only the admission portal will be open and then only you can apply. So this is the criteria for UG programs, and for PG programs, it is kind of similar. Around that time only for PG programs as well, the admission portal will be open. And if there is any changes, I will be communicating that to you through my YouTube videos or over my Instagram, which is launchpad.career. So according to the news, Tamil Nadu State Board results will be announced on 6th of May, so you guys can expect. So the admission portal will be open after 6th of May, so it can be 7th or 8th of May. So mark your calendars. So this is it guys for Loyola College Admissions 2024. So if you guys have doubts, then do comment down below, or you guys can directly DM me on WhatsApp. So that's it guys for this video. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you did, then please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.